Welcome to part 12, create daily task to run update.py. So the data for a dashboard is not going to get automatically updated. The only way to update the data is to run this update.py module. Now we did this manually on our own for a local project, and you can do it manually as well on Python Anywhere. What you would have to do is log in, like say on a daily basis, to Python Anywhere. You'd have to open up a console and run a bash shell. Then you'd have to cd into the Corona directory, and then you could call this command right here to actually run all the code in this module. So that would update it. Then you'd actually have to click the reload button on Python Anywhere to actually reload the app. So instead of doing all those tasks, we can automate it with a few commands, and Python Anywhere allows you to create a daily task. So some set of commands that will get run on a daily basis. And here are the set of commands right here. I'm going to go ahead and copy this. We're going to use this piece in just a second. So these are bash commands. And each one is separated by 2 ampersands, and that's how you can separate independent commands in bash. So the first thing that'll happen is it'll cd into the Corona directory. You just have to replace this username with your username. It will then run update.py, and then the last one, it'll change that or touch that WSGI file, and this is just needed to reload the app automatically. So if you don't do this part, it will not reload. So touching, you can think of as like literally reaching out and touching a file. It just changes the last time it was updated, and internally, once it sees that this WSG file has been updated, then it will reload the app. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back to Python Anywhere. We made it to our dashboard, and if we just click back, it'll go back to Python Anywhere over here. And you can see here on the tasks part, that's where we need to go. So we don't have any tasks, so you can actually schedule it at a particular date and time. But what we'll do here is we'll just paste our command here. We just have to change the username to Dunder Data, and then right here as well. So this is the WSGI file that it touches, and you could give it, I guess, a description: update data, run update.py. So you can actually choose a specific time, UTC. We could just say something maybe at 6 a.m. UTC. It'll run this, and then it should automatically update. Okay, so let's go ahead and create this. Okay, so there we go. So here it is, and this will happen. So we won't know if this runs correctly until the next time it is 6 a.m. UTC. And one thing about these tasks is that you will have to extend their expiry, so they don't automatically happen all the time. So you will have to log in from time to time and click this. So it is set at a month, so just once per month we'll have it continue on forever. So that's how you create a daily task, and in our daily task we'll run update.py, which will then update our data.